Welcome to today's video. Today we're going to dive into a common problem that can occur when running a FastAPI app inside a Docker container deployed using Portainer. The issue arises when the app stops receiving requests after working fine for a few minutes, leaving the logs empty and requests hanging indefinitely when curling the Docker bridge port. Let's see how we can tackle this issue. In the solution provided, a refractory was performed on the project, resulting in the problem being resolved. It's still uncertain what exactly fixed the issue, but launching the web app with a built-in FastAPI command or specifying the count of workers FastAPI can use might have played a role. The updated Docker file now includes the necessary configurations to ensure the app runs smoothly without any interruptions, such as setting the port and number of workers for FastAPI to utilize. In summary, we encountered a common problem with a FastAPI app running inside a Docker container, but with a little tweaking and refractory, the issue was successfully resolved. By updating the Docker file with the necessary configurations, the app now runs smoothly without any disruptions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a witty comment below.